Where can I obtain the working/setting instructions for a Potterton Wall timer?
Hello, welcome to Just Answer. Do you have the model or any number that are on the front or behind the flap if it has one? Hello, it's the replacement front for Potterton EP2000 control box. It's the one that has a small cover on the bottom left which covers the control panel. It's the control box that just clips on the front to replace the episode 2000 old control box. The Potterton PROGRAMMER is a BP2002. Is it the EP2003?
Where can I get the working instructions to the Potterton BP2002 Programmer? Your assistance will be appreciated. Frank. The Potterton Programmer is a BP2002.
Okay, try this. You may need to copy and paste the link into the address bar, http://www.heatingcontrolsonline.co.uk/instructions/Potterton%20 EP2000%20 EP2002%20 EP3002%20 user%20 manual.pdf.
Hi Andrew. Thanks. Tried the link, no success. Mailed Potterton to see if they can do anything. Frank.
Did you not get the instructions from the link?
No.
Did the link open or were you after something else?
It opened, but provided nothing really in respect of my inquiry.
That is the programming instructions. Did you need more?
It did not appear to give me anything, other than a lot of work putting it in the web site. Is there not an easier way?
Try this. Potterton Controls Customer Guide for the EP2000, EP2002, EP3002 the programmer and your system. If you have an EP2000 programmer, then you can set the hot water and central heating to come on together for 2 time periods a day. If you have an EP2002 programmer, then you can set the hot water and central heating to come on together for 2 time periods a day, from Monday to Friday, with different on/off times for Saturday and Sunday, if required. If you have an EP3002 programmer, then you can set the hot water and central heating to come on together for 2 time periods a day, with different on/off times for each day, if required. 2. Setting the programmer for built-in on/off times. The programmer already has built-in on/off time periods, which are Model ON1 OFF1 ON2 OFF2 EP2000 6:30 AM 9:30 AM 4:30 PM 10:30 PM EP2002 6:30 AM 9:30 AM 4:30 PM 10:30 PM, Monday to Friday, Saturday to Sunday, EP3002 6:30 AM 9:30 AM 4:30 PM 10:30 PM, Monday to Sunday. These times can be used by setting the correct time and day, as described for the 3 models in Section 1.2, 2.2 or 3.2 overleaf. To set up your own on/off times for your model, refer to Section 1.3, 2.3 or 3.3 overleaf. If you wish to return to the built-in time periods, after changes have been made to them, simply ensure the slider is in run position. Press and hold down the step and plus button, then after 5 seconds, release the 2 buttons. The built-in times are now reinstated. 3. How to set your programmer model. EP2000 1.1 Open door from top edge 1.2 to set the clock move slider to clock. Adjust displayed time, using, and plus buttons 1.3 setting the on/off times move slider to set. Adjust ON1 time, using, and plus buttons 1.4 press step button. Adjust OFF1 time, using, and plus buttons. Repeat for ON2 and OFF2 1.5 when complete, move slider to run close door model, EP2002 2.1 open door from top edge 2.2 to set the clock and day move slider to clock. Adjust displayed time using and plus buttons. Adjust day by pressing day button 2.3, setting the on/off times, Monday to Friday, move slider to set. Adjust ON1 time, using and plus buttons 2.4, press step button. Adjust OFF1 time, using and plus buttons. Repeat for ON2 and OFF2 2.5, setting the on/off times, Saturday and Sunday, press day button. Repeat above steps to set up Saturday and Sunday ON1, OFF1, ON2, OFF2 2.6. When complete, move slider to run close door model, EP3000 3.1, open door from top edge 3.2 to set the clock and day, move slider to clock. Adjust displayed time, using and plus buttons. Adjust day by pressing day button 3.3, setting the on/off times, Monday to Sunday, move slider to set. Adjust ON1 time, using and plus buttons. 3.4, press step button. Adjust OFF1 time, using and plus buttons. Repeat for ON2 and OFF2, press day button to go to next day. Repeat above steps to set up the remaining days. 3.5, copying on/off times to next day, press day button to select day you want to copy, press copy to copy on/off times to next day. Repeat as required. 3.6, example of on/off times copied to next day. 3.7, when complete, move slider to run and close door for, using the HW and CH sliders during normal operation. By moving these sliders you can select how you wish your system to work. Off ignores the on/off time period set in memory. Timed allows the CH or HW to run to the on/off times you have set in the programmer's memory. On say allows your CH or HW to run once a day from the first on time to the last off time. On will turn the CH or HW on continuously 24 hours a day. The channel indicators to the right of the HW/CH sliders will illuminate when the relevant channel is on and extinguish when the channel is off. The HW and CH sliders have a mechanical interlock to protect simple heating systems, which can only heat the radiators when the hot water is on. If yours is a simple system, the interlock will automatically cut the programming facilities that your system cannot cope with. This means the hot water is automatically turned on when central heating is on. 5. Using the advanced buttons. The adverb buttons allow you to go forward to the next on or off time when the sliders are in timed or once position. The button on the HW channel advances HW, and the CH button advances CH. The status of either channel is shown by the indicators to the right of the sliders. To advance the program, simply press the relevant adverb button and the CH or HW will go off, if on, or on, if off. Press again to return to original status. 6. Using the extend buttons. The EXT buttons allow you to extend a current on period or switch your HW or CH on during an off period for 1, 2 or 3 hours. If you press the button a fourth time, the programmer will return to the original set times. Note, using either the EXT or adverb buttons will not affect the on/off time set in the programmer's memory. The change is only temporary. When the interlock is set for simple heating systems, pressing the EXT or adverb buttons on CH will also extend or advance the HW. 7. Operation notes. It does take time for the boiler to produce the required heating and hot water temperatures, so set the programmer switch on, for example, half an hour earlier than required. Other controls in your system, such as room, boiler and cylinder thermostats, may affect the switching of your boiler. So although the indicator shows that the central heating is on, the boiler itself could be off. Ask your installer to explain how they work. 8. Programmer memory backup. If the electricity fails or is switched off, the display will go blank and the programmer will maintain the set times and the clock for 12 hours. After that time, you may have to reset the clock and on/off times. Note, during the time that the electricity is off, any electrical items, for example, boiler, pumps etc., will not operate. 9. Guide to Operational Problems Warning. Disconnect the main supply before the programmer is removed. Ensure all supplies to the programmer are fused at 3 amps. Internal damage can occur if not correctly protected. 5 amp % 13 amp fuses are not suitable. 10. Diagnosing possible operational problems. No clock display. 1. Check main supply switch to programmer is on. 2. Check main supply fuses to programmer are OK. Buttons will not function. EXT and adverb buttons will not work if the HW or CH slider are in off or on mode, or the slider under the door is not set to run. Heating and hot water will not work. 1. Check remedy points under no clock display. 2. Check programmer output is on, i.e. indicator is lit. 3. Check that the external thermostats are turned up. Heating not working, but hot water is working. Check the 10/16 interlock setting. For simple systems, see Installer's Guide instruction. Incorrect time displayed. See how to set your programmer section if normal operation cannot be achieved by the above remedies. Reset programmer by pressing +N buttons at the same time. Time of day and on/off times may need to be set. If symptoms persist, contact the technical helpline. Sales inquiries, 0191-491-7500. Service inquiries, 08706-096-096. Technical support, 08706-049-049.
Thanks, Andrew.
No problem.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.